Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily change the focus on your ELGATO Facecam Pro. So first, as you guys can see, we need to go over to the Camera Hub, which is the app designed for ELGATO cameras. Now make sure to go to device and check if the input is ELGATO Facecam Pro. Go over to focus. Here you need to disable automatic focus, and here you can easily adjust the focus to your liking or your preference. Here we have presets, near, mid or far, depending on the situation the camera is in. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.